Hi! In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Password Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google, RMS click, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to get rid of. I will go with my Facebook one. Enter your current login method and tap on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Google Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!